So, welcome SVPH to our presentation on chapter number 5, Father's Help, and this is part 9 of our presentation. So, we are almost completed with our chapter, so let's continue it, okay? So, over here, we were on when Swaminathan he got beatings from this thing, right, from the scale by Samul, and then what happened, the bell rang, right, and then Swaminathan jumped down from the platform with a light heart. Though his hands were smarting, he picked up his books, took out the letter lying on his pocket, and ran to the headmaster's room. He found the door locked. Now what happened? Now Swaminathan, he got the scoldings, right? He got the beatings by the scale by Samul. So what happened? Swaminathan, he jumped down from the platform where he was standing. He jumped down from there with a light heart. Okay. Now what happened? His hands were paining, but what happened? He picked up his bag and he took the letter out, which he had to give it to the headmaster. Okay. Now when he went to the headmaster's room, he saw that the door was locked. Now he asked the peon, "Where is the headmaster?" So what Swaminathan asked? Swaminathan asked the peon that where is the headmaster? Now peon asked, "Why do you want him?" So what do you want like from him? Why you are asking that where is the headmaster? What do you want from him? He asked like that. So Swaminathan he replied, "My father has sent a letter for him." So Swaminathan said that my father he has sent a letter to the headmaster for headmaster to see. Now peon he said he has taken the afternoon off and won't come back for a week. You can go, you can give the letter to the assistant headmaster. He will be here now. Okay, so what did peon say? He has taken the afternoon off and won't come back for a week. You can give the letter to the assistant headmaster. He will be here now. So what happened? Peon he said that the headmaster he is on holiday. He took some days off. He has taken some holidays like afternoon off. He went back to his home in the afternoon itself, and he won't be coming back for a week. Matlab he won't be coming for the next 7 days. You can give the letter to the assistant headmaster. Now he said Swaminathan that you can give this letter to the assistant headmaster. He will be here now. Now Swaminathan asked, who is he? Now the peon said, your teacher Samul. He will be here in a second. So now what did Swaminathan got to know? That the assistant headmaster was Samul, and he is going to be over there, so he can give the letter to Samul. Now Swaminathan, what happened? He fled from the place. As soon as he reached home with the letter, father remarked, I knew you won't deliver it, you coward. So what happened? Swaminathan, he fled from there as soon as he heard that Samul was the assistant headmaster. He ran from there, and then he reached the home, and over there his father, of course, he asked that did you submit your letter to the headmaster? So Swaminathan he said that he did not. So father he said that I knew won't deliver it. मेरे को पता था तुम ये लेटर हेडमास्टर को नहीं दोगे. You coward. डरपोक के लिए यूज़ करते हैं coward. Okay. I swear our headmaster is on leave, Swaminathan began. Father replied, don't lie in addition to being a coward. So what happened? Swaminathan he said to the father that I swear our father is on he said that I swear our headmaster is on leave. कि हमारी जो headmaster है वो छुट्टी पर है. Swaminathan began. Now father he replied, don't lie in addition to being a coward. Now don't lie. तुम झूठ मत बोलो कि हेडमास्टर ने लीव ली है. तुम कावर्ड हो. Just accept this. Now Swami held the envelope and said, I will give this to the headmaster as soon as he is back. Now what happened? Swami, he took the envelope out and he said that I am going to give this envelope to the headmaster as soon as he comes back. Now father, he snatched it from his hand. Okay, so the father he snatched the envelope from the hand of Swaminathan, right? Swaminathan, and He tore it up. What he did? He tore it up and thrust it into the waste paper basket under his table. He muttered, "Don't come to me for help even if Samuel throttles you. You deserve your Samuel." So what happened? Father, he snatched the envelope, he tore it and he threw it in the dustbin. And he said that don't come to me when you need the help. When Samuel teacher beats you or troubles you in the class, don't come to me for help. I'm not going to help you now. His father said this. So we have completed this chapter and we are going to do the question answers. Okay? So question and answer these questions. Question number 1. Did Swaminathan like going to school? Pick up examples from the story to support your answer. So I'm not going to tell you the full answer, but yes, I'm going to give you some hint. Okay? So Swaminathan, he did not like going to the school. Okay? And they are asking us to pick up some examples from the story to support our answer. So we can say that Swaminathan, he used his tactics. Okay, like he had a headache. Of course he used that he said that he's having a headache, so he do not want to go to the school, he want to stay at home, right? And then he said to his father that the teachers, they beat them if they go to the school late. So these can be the examples to support your answer, right? Now question number 2. What was the difference between Swaminathan's mother's and father's reaction towards his headache? Now listen, in the story we saw that Swaminathan said to his mother that he's having a headache and he's not going to the school on that day, he want to stay at home. So his mother, she accepted, okay, now you can stay at home, right? But his father, when he got to know that he's having a headache, did he allow him to stay at home? No. He said, "Nonsense, you're talking nonsense, dress up and go to the school," right? So this was the difference between Swaminathan's mother's behavior reaction and the father's reaction. Mother accepted, she accepted that yes, you can stay at home, but father, he did not accept that he can stay at home. He said that you have to go to the school. Okay? Now question number 3. Who was Samuel? How did Swami portray him? Now, who was Samuel? Samuel was Swaminathan's arithmetic and Indian history teacher, and even he was assistant headmaster. Yes. Now, how did Swami portray him? मतलब स्वामी ने उनके बारे में कैसे बताया? Like क्या उनको describe करने के लिए बोला? So Swami, he portrayed him as a very violent man, right? He beats the students very badly, right? So like that he portrayed him. You have to write more points to it. Now question number 4, what did Swami's father give for the headmaster? So Swami's father, he gave a envelope for the headmaster, right? Question number 5, was Samuel as ruthless as Swami as had described him? Give examples in support to your answer. So they are asking that was Samuel a violent man as how Swami has described about him to his father? And we have to answer this question with the help of some examples. So according to me, of course, Samuel was not as ruthless as Swami had described him, right? He was actually a very gentle man, and he had a lot of tolerance. He could tolerate most of the things, right? Now you have to add most of the things. The examples you are going to add it by your own. Question number 6. Why was Swami shouting in the class? So Swami was shouting in the class to make Samuel angry and make him get a beating on the hand by the cane. Now question number 7. Was Swami able to give the letter to the headmaster, and why? So Swami, he was not able to give the letter to the headmaster. Why? Because the headmaster, he left in the afternoon itself, right? So the headmaster's cabin was locked, so he could not give the letter to the headmaster. Now question number 8. What eventually happened to the letter? So what happened to the letter at the last? So So Swaminathan's father, he tore the letter into pieces and he threw in the dustbin. That's it. Okay. So this is it for this presentation. We are going to continue with the rest of the question answers in our next presentation. So please read this chapter again, as we have completed with this chapter. So thank you.